Hey everybody!
Hello!
So today we are heading into the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We packed a picnic. It's a beautiful day, so we couldn't help ourselves but go out. We are bringing the dogs, and we wanted to bring you along with us.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a little venture, have a little picnic. We're probably gonna go to Metcalf Bottoms, maybe drive over by the sinks, drive around the park, see what's going on, and give the dogs a little puppy stay out.
Yes, it is too gorgeous not to.
Yeah.
I just made some little sandwiches. We got some chips, some sodas, and we're gonna hit it.
It's 55 and sunny.
Yeah, it's like
at the end of January here.
Yeah,
beautiful.
We're excited.
We're gonna get like rain all week, so we're taking advantage.
Exactly. We're like, today's the day.
All right, let's go have some fun.
All right, let's do it.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV.
K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV.
Cody, you ready to go bye-byes in the car?
We're gonna go to the park?
You wanna go to the park?
Yeah.
Anybody wanna go to the park?
We're gonna go to the park.
All right, let's go have a picnic. Great Smoky Mountains National Park.
So we just pulled into Metcalf Bottoms, and they only have one side of the parking available. The other side is closed, but there are a lot of people here.
Yes. All the picnic tables are open though, so I don't know where all these people are.
I guess they're just walking around.
Yeah.
It's just such a beautiful day. Everybody's out, and I don't blame them at all because we're doing the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. The boys are having fun already.
Zach already pooped.
So this is Metcalf Bottoms picnic pavilion area here in Gatlinburg in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. It is absolutely gorgeous here. It is a beautiful day out, and
this is so different than the last time we were here. We were here when it was still, the trees were still full and green.
And we sat in the creek.
Yeah.
And now that creek is probably like, how cold do you think it is? In the 50s probably?
At least.
Yeah, it's gotta be freezing.
Yeah. But it looks so different here with all of the, you know, exposed. We can see how far down it really goes, and
it's crazy. It's crazy what you can see here when there's no trees on the leaves.
Yeah.
But
it's a whole different place.
It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's in the 50s.
Yeah, I know.
Gorgeous out.
It's like,
we love coming here, and this place is completely free, which is awesome. Yeah, for now. So you have to pay to park in the national park, but you don't have to pay to get in here or anything. It's just so peaceful in here.
Yeah.
So chill.
I love the sound of the water. It's so relaxing.
So when it's summertime, everyone has their tubes out here. You can bring your chair, sit in the water. Just watch out for snakes.
And it's, you know, we saw so many cars, but there's not a lot of people at least over by us right now.
Oh, we're there.
Yeah. We got the boys tied up.
I'll take the peace and quiet.
Yeah. You having fun? Look at Zach. He's like, I don't know what's happening.
They're tied up.
This
can't get to us.
Zach doesn't love the outside to begin with. Hold on.
Close to him.
But this is him right now. Zachary, everything's okay, baby.
You can't protect us from that far away.
Crazy. Yeah, he's not an outdoor boy. Everything okay, Smack? Everything okay? He's wagging his tail.
He's fine.
Yeah, he's just funny. Everything's okay. He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy.
Ready for a picnic?
Yes. We have some gourmet stuff happening over here.
Gourmet sandwiches.
We have some 0 sugar cherry Big K from Kroger.
Are you gonna reveal the sandwich?
Ready? Gourmet. Turkey, salami, and cheese.
I did take some mayo and whip it with a little Italian dressing. Put it on the bread and toasted it. So it's a little extra,
We got the best chips in the world.
Yeah, these are Kim's favorite. Sun chips, garden salsa.
So good.
Yeah. All right, enjoy.
So we enjoyed our picnic lunch. And now we're hit the spot. Now we're gonna take a little stroll, walk it off. Down over here by the creek. It's beautiful. And there's nobody around.
Yeah, it's like all these cars, but I don't know where people are.
Look at this beautiful just fallen tree. We're just hiking around through the woods. The dogs are loving it.
There's a little more open path.
This is a little more easier for us to get to over here.
We're getting tangled up down by the creek.
Wow. And this place is even more beautiful when there's leaves on the trees. So this is the first section of the park over here. This is where you get the roaring water. But the river is a lot higher than normal, that's for sure. You can normally tell. Normally we go out in that big rock. You see that big rock out there in the middle? Normally we go out there and it's about like a foot less at least. We made it to the other side of the one-way bridge. We just saw two cars trying to go head at it over the bridge. Didn't work out so well. Caused a major traffic backup. But this side over here is really nice. This whole trail you can walk through all the way to the end. Everyone's got their puppies out. It's a perfect place to come if you bring your dogs here on vacation.
Oh yeah, Cody's in his element.
Yes, he is. Everyone's having a good time. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here. Be careful. Yeah, and the leaves are slippery too. We came down over here by the water on the other side. This is a great spot over here. They have a ton of picnic tables as well. And you can just go right in. You got a little beach right here.
Alrighty, so we got the dogs packed into the car. Now we're gonna head to check out the sinks. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you've enjoyed this video so far, hit your like button. Now to get to the sinks, when you pull out of Metcalf's, you go to the right instead of to the left, heading towards Gatlinburg.
And the sinks is just a little ways down here on the left-hand side.
See the sun peeking through, it's so pretty.
It's really nice. We made it to the sinks. It's a couple-mile drive down from Metcalf's on the left-hand side. And it's beautiful waterfall here, literally right off the road. There's a little parking lot here. We do have a video here during the summer. We were jumping off that rock into the water.
Nobody in the water now.
Nobody in the water here in January. But we wanted to come check it out here. See what it looked like over here during winter time.
Yeah. Still beautiful.
And it's still beautiful. The water level is very high, so it is roaring, that's for sure. But maybe we'll walk on over there and give you the view from there. It is so loud. It's amazing. But anybody could come here. It's free. We got the dogs here with us still. You can climb up those rocks over there and jump down just like we did. Like I said, we do have a video here of us at the sink, so full video. It's a really, really cool swimming hole during the summer. Jump off that big rock right there. It's about 20 feet up or so, I'd say. But this is really cool to come here and see. I can feel like the nice cool mist. You having fun?
Yeah.
It's a cool spot, huh?
Beautiful.
This is such a cool spot. I'm glad we came here today. The dogs are loving it. Cody wants to go climb up all these stairs. That's where you gotta go if you want to jump off the rocks. But he's just exploring everywhere, he's having a good time. There's a few of these little information plaques when you come here. So the roads that we travel on here actually used to be train tracks, which is really cool, and then they turned them into roads. And then here at the sinks, altering the river's course. That's what happened here. The blast created the sinks. The swirling waters of the little river cascade over a man-made waterfall at the sinks. Before trains rumbled through the Smokies, loggers used the river to float timber to mills. During a flood in the late 1800s, a massive log jam formed here in the bend of the river. Loggers used dynamite to free the logs. The explosion blasted a deep hole in the rocky stream, creating the sinks and altering the river's course. So that's what it used to look like. And now it looks like this. Which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know the roads here, they used to be train tracks and now they made them into roads.
Sense.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Uh-huh. Because
Trains.
the roads created so much tourism here in the Smokies, so that's cool. So we had a great time hanging out today in the national park, and everything we did today was free and fun
And beautiful. Beautiful. We
Yeah.
really love taking in this nature of the Smoky Mountains. When we like remember that we're right here, you know, sometimes you forget that this beauty is just minutes away.
And the dogs loved it. They had a great time, and we had a great little picnic. It was awesome.
Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please hit your like button. If you haven't subscribed or you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.